Hi, I'm Haley,
Hi, I'm Rochelle.
and today we're talking about fuel cells. A fuel cell is an electromechanical cell that converts energy from a fuel into electrical energy.
The disadvantages of fuel cells is that in fuel cells, the use of hydrogen produces fewer greenhouse gases, it converts energy efficiently, and the byproduct for electrochemical process is pure water, a benefit for the environment.
They're 99.999% reliable, which is 1 minute of downtime in a 2-year period.
Fuel cells are ideal for military applications, and the maintenance for fuel cells is simple because there are few moving parts in the system.
They are used in remote locations like spacecrafts, remote weather stations, large parks, rural locations, and in certain military applications.
Fuel cells are able to produce reliable electricity for residential, commercial, industrial, and transportation applications.
Their waste products include carbon dioxide, water, electricity, and heat, which can be harnessed.
These self-contained power generation devices use fuels that are very much abundant on Earth, such as hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is almost 14 times lighter than the air people breathe. Hydrogen is everywhere and is odorless, colorless, and non-toxic in a gaseous state. Only recently is the true potential for hydrogen in several applications being realized. Using hydrogen in transportation can help remove any pollutants in the air.
Some of the disadvantages of fuel cells are that many of the component pieces to make them are very expensive.
The transportation, distribution, and storage of hydrogen is difficult.
The production at energy plants creates excessive carbon dioxide.
Fuel cells are slightly bigger than batteries and engines.
Fuel cells are strong enough to be used to power many things that we use every day, such as cars or even entire cities. A fuel cell is nothing but an anode and a cathode on either side of an electrolyte. When a fuel cell is fueled, the electrolyte reacts electrochemically, giving off electricity. If a car is fueled by fuel cells, it would use nothing but hydrogen stored in a tank and oxygen from the air, and in the end there is nothing but warm water vapor, meaning there is much less pollution. Hydrogen is used on one side of the plate, while oxygen, or air, is used on the other side. When the hydrogen hits the membrane in the center, the protons go straight through, while the electrons need to pass through a different circuit, creating electricity. The protons and electrons react with the oxygen from the air, which generate water and heat. This is the only waste product. By stacking together single fuel cells, you can create a fuel cell stack to create the desired amount of energy.